Test tube. What is Bioelements Skincare? Bioelements is a professional-grade skincare brand founded in 1991 by Barbara Salamoni, one of the first licensed estheticians in the U.S. It's known for blending clinical science with natural ingredients to create personalized formulas used in spas and at home too. Glowing Star. What is it good for? Bioelements products are designed to treat a wide range of skin concerns. Dryness and dehydration. Moisturizers like Crucial Moisture and Beyond Hydration deeply nourish without clogging pores. Aging skin. Serums and masks with peptides, bakuchiol, a retinol alternative, and antioxidants help reduce fine lines and improve firmness. Acne and congestion. Products like Amino Mask and Quick Refiner use sulfur, AHAs, and BHAs to clear pores and smooth skin. Sensitive skin. Cleansers and oils are formulated without harsh irritants, synthetic fragrances, or dyes. Hyperpigmentation and dullness. Treatments like VC10 Dark Spot Solution target uneven tone and dark spots with stabilized vitamin C and niacinamide. White Heavy Checkmark. Key features. Customizable. Estheticians can blend products to suit individual skin needs during facials. Clean formulas, free from parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrance, and artificial dyes. Cruelty-free. Bioelements does not test on animals. Spa trusted, widely used in professional treatments for visible, long-lasting results. If you're looking for skincare that's tailored to your skin type and concerns, Bioelements is a solid choice, especially if you want that spa-quality experience at home. Want help picking a product for your skin goals? I'd love to help with that too.